Namaskar. When we talk about testosterone, we know that it is the hormone which gives energy and represents masculinity. Low testosterone, which is known as male hypogonadism, can cause mood disorders, sexual health issues, and decreased mental and physical energy. Today, I am going to tell you how to prepare Ashwagandha tea, which has a power to improve testosterone level naturally. Let us first look up to the recipe of this special tea. You will need 1 cup water, half teaspoon ashwagandha powder or a small piece of dry ashwagandha root, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon grated ginger, 1-2 green cardamom pods, 1 teaspoon jaggery for sweetness, half teaspoon tulsi leaves, fresh or dry. And now understand. First boil water, add the ashwagandha powder and simmer it for 5 minutes. Now add cinnamon, grated ginger and cardamom and continue for another 2-3 minutes. Turn off the heat and then add tulsi leaves. Let it steep for 1 to 2 minutes. Strain the tea and then add jaggery. Stir well and then serve warm. Ashwagandha is an Ayurvedic remedy. In Sanskrit it means the smell of horse. Modern studies on this herb have also found that it improves testosterone level, increases muscle strength and reduces cortisol. This is the stress hormone. Our ancient Indian wisdom continues to guide modern science. Cinnamon adds depth to the tea by its warming property. Ginger, tulsi and cardamom help digestion and improves respiratory health. Jaggery sweetens your drink and make it even more nourishing. Now there are also some more lifestyle modifications you can make improve your testosterone level. Since testosterone production gives deep sleep, you should organize your time in such a way that you will get at least 7 to 8 hours of undisrupted sleep. A balanced diet is also important. So include zinc-rich food like pumpkin seeds, spinach and chickpeas. Zinc is required for testosterone synthesis. Add healthy fats like nuts and avocados to your diet. These provide essential fatty acids needed for hormone production. Try to get more and more physically active by walking, stretching and doing regular yoga. As vitamin D is vital for testosterone, spend time in the sunlight, especially during the morning hours. Avoid smoking and alcohol as they disturb your hormonal function and gets your emotions also better. So, develop positive relationship and take part in meaningful social activities and seva. These holistic practices combined with a healthy ashwagandha tea will create a powerful foundation for naturally increasing your testosterone. The best way to start is to begin making these changes from today. Namaskar.